Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl Satina, and in today's video we will be doing the staying outside while it's raining. I hope this challenge is going to be successfully, but I'm not sure because it's not raining that much, so yeah. Anyways, if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more of my videos. So that do you all look like my hairstyle? Anyways, if you're new, make sure you share. Don't mind him. Let's go into the video. I'll be right here. It's raining right now, but I don't think if I'll get wet because I'm what's it called? Okay. So we are gonna do staying outside so it stops raining. It's cold. I'm cold. I'm not even getting wet. What the heck? Can you rain like rain though? Oh, because of the tree. Oh, my some rainwater just got into my eye. Oh, guys, I have a hood on because I don't want to get sick. That's why. So we will be out here until play some music, Zena. You know the password, right? Play oh my god. It stopped raining. Oh. Wait. I can't. Oh,
I forgot it.
never mind again. Guys. Okay, so I can still get some rain over here, but it's not raining that much. Oh, here we go. Oh, it's because I have the hood on. I'm cold. If I keep doing this, I'm gonna keep myself warm. Shake your body. Oh, shake. I cannot dance. I cannot dance. Huh. Wait. What am I trying to do?
I don't know.
Wait, is that how you... Hola, you'll never be silent. You'll never be silent.
Is it for 9 or?
I don't know. I think people will be like, she's weird. She's weird. I'm not. Okay, so guys, I have been trying so hard. It's watering. Where is the water coming from? Oh my god, guys. Okay, so you guys can see the background looks so nice. So It looks so nice. Wait, what? What?
No.
Girl, stop scaring me. What the heck? I think it kind of stopped raining. Because I'm not even getting wet. Like, look at this. I'm not getting wet. I'm not getting wet.
Mango.
Oh, my mango. I forgot that I was eating.
Can I get a mango?
Guys, it stopped raining.